Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Helper. In today's video, let me show you how to show what you are playing on Discord. First, go to the bottom left of Discord and open up your user settings. On the left, scroll down into activity settings and click on activity privacy. Switch on share your detected activities with others. You can also switch on share your activity status by default when joining larger servers. Then come over to the left again and click on registered games to ensure the game is appearing. If it isn't, you can click on add to add it. There you go. Now your Discord friends can see what game you're playing. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.